Today, the Cumberland County SPCA and South Jersey Regional Animal Shelter responded to a call for assistance from Bridgeton Animal Control. The officer had been called out to a house after receiving a report of 30 to 40 small dogs on 2 adjacent properties. He immediately called the shelter for backup upon finding multiple dogs in a variety of kennels and crates on one property and several fenced-in dogs at another. Humane law enforcement officers and the staff of the shelter returned with the animal control officer today and removed a total of 24 dogs and 2 cats. The dogs are a variety of Chihuahua and Havanese mixes. Their caretaker was overwhelmed with their numbers, and the dogs were found without adequate shelter or care. Although frightened by all of today's commotion, the dogs were removed without incident. They were all found to be infested with fleas and intestinal parasites. Number of animals already in our care, we sent out a plea for help to our neighboring shelters. Our friends at St. Hubert's Animal Welfare Center in Madison, New Jersey assisted in the rescue by taking 13 of the frightened pups into their care. After being safely transported to the shelter, the animals are being bathed, vaccinated, and treated for parasites. We will allow them to settle in and get comfortable over the holiday weekend. They will then be offered up for adoption once they are spayed and neutered. Please visit our website at southjerseyregionalanimalshelter.org for more information about adopting any of these or other adoptable pets. We are located at 1244 North Delsey Drive in Vineland, New Jersey. You can contact our office by dialing 856-691-1500. While you're here, please subscribe to our YouTube page and also check out our Adoptable Animals page. Thank you very much for watching.